It turns out, Americans are not looking for a digitally free vacation. New research of 2,000 vacationers, conducted by Assurian, revealed Americans check their phone an average of 80 times a day while on vacation. The average person checks their phone every 12 minutes, and 1 in 10 check their phones 20 times an hour. 53% said they never unplug even a little while on vacation. And 68% still check in on social media while vacationing. 1 in 10 have missed their stop while traveling because they were on their phone. Nearly half say they want to stay connected to friends and family while away. And almost 1 in 5 say their smartphones help them be smart tourists.